Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Komisi benta na kajing Rakhe yaka World Environment Day, kabadai haka santarek ubna julio. Hynne kasni ka santarek ujulio, ka Queen School maulai nong pedeng. Kala Rakhe yakani kasni da kina hikai ringkat ki kena jong kani ka school. Kani kajing Rakhe kalalong da kajing yami renti bat pan khoj yaka saudong saukon jong kani ka school. Badi ki katto kani ki benta jong ka kentoj jong ka maulai nong pedeng block A. Haka balai shimenta da barok kini hikai kinong tray jongani ke skol bat ki khna skol halor kini ke senjam jongani ke skol ke Batisi TV kala yoru banyak keren bat ke nong seng jongani ke skol I Dr. Sita Nongklau.
Our school was invited, a certain NGOs, Polytechnic, a few, right, more than a month I think, to talk about the wastage or to talk about cleanliness, how to keep clean. And based on that, when our children came back and the teachers, and we said, why not we do a cleanliness drive to motivate the society? Because I feel in our community, people have the tendency to keep their own compound clean, to keep the house clean, but to throw all the rubbish in the street. That is the human nature of us Khasi community. We eat something and we just walk on the road and throw the chips or paper or anything we eat on the road. And so the main aim here is to make the people aware in the community. Cleanliness, it doesn't mean only in your own house or compound. It means keeping your surrounding clean. If each one of us take the initiative to be clean, to keep our surroundings clean, I think we'll have a lovely community. We'll have a clean Shillong. But the sad thing is that no one does that. At home, as I said, in their own compound, they make it all clean and they throw all the rubbish outside. So that is the main purpose. And we did it for the school children, showing the community, showing the elders, showing other people in the community, that if the children have the heart in them to clean someone's dirt, right? Someone's drain, where they throw all the dirt out there. So I think all the house owners, all the people whose compound is attached to that, should have the feeling in them that yes, we should clean our surrounding, the places outside a compound. Not wait from the children to come and teach us to do the cleanliness drive. That is the main thing. Because as you see, we are living in a society, our society is becoming dirtier day by day. You go anywhere in Shillong before, people when they come here, the tourists, they talk about the cleanliness, they talk mostly about the air. We breathe the air, wow, it's so clean. But now, even we have to close our nose. In certain areas, we can't even breathe freely. So where are we heading? The question that is from me, from our school, Queen School, to the society, in Nong Pedeng, in Maulai, in Shillong as a whole, in Meghalaya as a whole, where are we heading? We talk about our Khasi community being clean. Khasi ke bale akhoy. Te ka jingkali jong hang ni le akhoy hang no. He ai ka ta ka jing le akhoy. Ka jing le akhoy kam dei tang ka riam ka ben. Ka jing le akhoy is to make our society clean. Where is it heading? Isn't it high time each one of us wake up before throwing anything on the road, think twice? That where will it lead? You have seen by yourself, you did a video. There's so many bottles on the drain, so many dirt on the drains. Why is it there? Because the people throw it there. So for me, the only request, an appeal to the society, the Shillong people, the Meghalaya people, wake up. Let's keep environment clean. Let's not just keep a house and compound clean. Keep the surroundings clean.